Oh, look at that. Ten of Wands energy. This is something here, no, na alam mo yung energy na meron kang bitbit, no, dami-dami mong bitbit na sabihin natin balikbayan boxes example, no, ta's mabibigat yung laman, tapos ikaw lang bibitbit nun, no, tapos ang nakakaloka pa nito, hindi mo pa alam kung saan mo dadalhin yun, so parang kalbaryo, 'di ba? Parang bitbit mo lang yon, no, at hindi mo alam kung kailan mo maibababa pero gusto mo ibaba, no? For some reason, I'm not picking that this is your energy actually. I'm picking up more likely that this is, yeah, someone connecting to you very strongly, very intensely, and outside energy right here. Let's all together find out what that really means, and we're gonna take a look at other informations related to this one. Okay, so let us see. Okay. Oh. Omo. Kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, naku. Putok, eh. Okey. Bottom of the deck, Six of Cups, Ten of Swords, High Priestess. So, hi and hello there collective, my name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers, returning tambayers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. At kung hindi niyo pa na-subscribe pa po tayong isa pang channel, ang ating main channel, ang The High Priestess, kung saan no, ang link niyan ay matatagpuan dito sa description box ng reading na to. Kaya kung interesado kayong tumambay dyan, go ahead. Pwede kayong tumambay dyan, magstay kayo dyan mga babes, no? I-hit lamang yung subscribe at notification bell para kayo ay updated everyday, no? Kasi hindi natin alam kung anong oras tayo nakakapag-upload. Pero, for sure, everyday meron. At yun nga, wala tayong gender here. Babae, lalaki, LGBT, everybody welcome. Pwede rin pong i-switch yung mga roles dahil possible talaga magkapalit-palit kasi general reading po ito. And at the end of the day, lahat ay may free will na. Free niyong gamitin anytime, anywhere, no? So, nakikita ko dito, hindi ito pwedeng i-switch. Yeah, this is your person here, no? And you are greatly involved dito. Yeah, okay? So, timeless ito. So, pwedeng ito ay nangyari na to some of you. Sa iba naman ay nangyayari na ngayon, no? At sa iba naman ay mangyayari pa lamang. Excuse me, yeah, no, for clearing my throat, no? Yeah, I'm seeing some kind of actually hindi ako sure, no? But, nakita ko rito, no, ng parang don't get me wrong, hindi yun libag. I'm seeing something 'no, sa leeg niya rito 'no. Okay, it's not libag, it's a quintas right here 'no. Kakulay kasi mga babes ng libag. Maybe meron siyang sinusuot 'no, na necklace or mahilig siya dun or maybe it's a choker-like necklace, color black or dark color, might be navy blue, whatever 'no. Maybe this person here is into necklace 'no. Baka kasali yun sa kanyang mga sinusuot everyday or baka naman kasama yun 'no, sa kanyang porma or whatever 'no. Alam mo na, get up, everyday accessories, 'yan 'no. Grabe ka naman miss yan sa libag, pasintabi sa mga kumakain. Siyempre kailangan ko makasiguro, grabe naman kayo guys 'no. So yun nga 'no, wala tayong gender dito 'no, pero it looks like kung sino man ito 'no, this person right here 'no, ang pinaka mas nakukuha kong message nun 'no, is feeling niya para siya rito nasa-struggle. Alam mo yun? Yung para siya rito 'no, na out of breath 'no, wala siya ritong hika, but it looks like this is something here 'no, na parang bagay na posibleng sumasakal sa kanya, ano. So, Sa nakikita ko dito mga babes, no, the world card energy and the very, very strong six of cups right here. I'm seeing that this person here, you once encountered siya sa inyong past life. No? At ang pinaka nakakaloka rito is that the world card energy and the two of swords. Okay? Wala siyang kaide-ideya dito, mga babes. No? This person here, with the Eight of Swords energy, Five of Cups, pwede siya ritong maging malungkot forever. Yeah. Alam mo, if this is your person right here, nakakalungkot ito for your person, no? Kasi parang hindi bukas yung kamalayan niya rito, no? Hindi niya ito nalalaman. Hindi siya aware, no? Dito sa ganitong klase ng situation here with you guys, no? It is something here with this temperance energy. Lumalabas rito, mga babes, no? Na kayo yung nakatakda for him or her, na kayo ang kanya rito one and only, na kayo ang kanya ritong one and only destiny. But it looks like this person right here rejected you not just once, but twice. Okay? Twice, dalawang beses. One, nireject niya kayo, no, sa inyo rito na past life encounter. At second, ni-reject niya kayo ngayon sa 3D world, no? This person here walk away doon sa tao rito, no? Na nakatakda for him or her. He or she is walking away, no? Escaping from you guys, no? Twice. One, noong past life na nagkaroon kayo ng encounter, we have a lot of past lives right here at minsan mo na siya rito, no? Na nakakonect, no? Pero doon, ni-reject niya kayo rito, no? At nakita ko rito, mga babes, na umalis siya. See, these are two confirmations right in here that this person repeated the same mistake that this person here did the same thing nung past life and now in the 3D world. For those my sweethearts na hindi alam yung 3D world, I'm pertaining to the world right now. Okay, while you are living, while you're hearing my messages, while you're viewing this channel, while you're doing your own thing, you're working, you're living. This is the 3D world, our world right now. Your lifetime here on Earth. See, imagine this person right here with the Four of Cups energy and there's this temperance. This person right here, tinanggihan niya rito yung dapat na hindi niya rito tanggihan. Nireject niya rito yung hindi niya dapat nireject dito at yun ay walang iba kundi ikaw, sweetheart. Okay? This is the saddest thing. No? If this is your person's truth, and I'm seeing that this is your person's truth right in here, hindi siya rito awakened, no? Doon sa katotohanan, 'di ba? Alam mo kasi may mga tao rito na parang ano may mga tao na parang nabubulagan. May mga tao na nadi-distract, no? So, I do not know what particularly because marami naman kayong mga energies dito, no? At maaaring marami kayong mga specific na mga situation na pinagdaanan dito sa tao na to. Pero nakita ko dito, this person here left you, moved away from you, and it is not once, but twice. Yan, no? So, alam mo, nakakalungkot ito for him or her, no? Dahil pwede siya rito maging sad forever. Imagine, hindi niya alam rito, wala siyang kamalay-malay dito, that the right person for him or her, ang tamang tao, no, na makapagpapabago sa kanya ritong buhay, no, na pwede rin makapagpabago sa kanya ritong mga baluktot at maling gawa, ay ikaw. Pero wala siya rito nakaidi-ideya, no, na ikaw yun, yung person na meant for him or her. Maybe this person here look for someone new. Maybe this person here mistaken someone na yun yung kanya ritong right person. But no, hindi. Because the right person is you, sweetheart. No? Ikaw na nakikinig ngayon. Ikaw, sweetheart, na nakatingin sa'yo ritong cellphone, tablet, handphone, computer, notebook. So, kung sino man yung mga nakikinig ngayon, no? This is you. okay, na tinutukoy niya rito, no, this person here, okay, hindi niya yun alam, no? So, nakita natin dito, no, na grabe, maaari talaga siya rito maging malungkot habang buhay, no? Imagine someone na nakatakda for you, then you keep on, making taboy of them, na this person here, maaaring, yeah, I'm getting that word, no? Tapon, maaaring tinapon niya kayo rito. This person here treats you like a trash. Yan, no? This person here is posibleng tinuring kayo rito, no? Na parang hindi rito tao. This person here could had hurt your feelings so many times. Yan. So, hindi niya lang yan isang beses ginawa. Dalawang beses sa magkaibang saling panahon. Yan, no? One is sa past life encounterments ninyo. You do not know when was that, whatever situation you're in, that this person here moved away from you then. And then, ngayon, in the 3D world, that person here, no, did that same mistake, no, but not aware that you are the right person para sa kanya at para maitama at magbago siya ng tuluyan. Okay, for this person here, Six of Cups, Ten of Swords. Yeah, this person here hurt you really bad right here. Okay, this person here could betrayed you, cheated on you, lied on you, everything under the sun that pwede mo ritong i-describe sa nagawa niya sa'yo. Alam mo babe, with the High Priestess, no? High Priestess, Ten of Swords, Six of Cups is an indication that this person here, okay, is hindi siya rito bukas sa kanya ritong intuition. Unlike you, bukas ka sa iyong intuition. Now you fully understand here how life really works, no? And how to deal with life, no? So nakita ko rito that you've matured enough, no? At nakita ko rito na talagang nakatapa kayo ulit on your own feet, no? And then you've started all over again right here, no? And this person, kawawa. Kasi alam mo, nakita ko rito na ikaw yung tamang taong binibigay ni universe sana sa kanya para matulungan siya rito makapagbabago sa kanyang buhay. Pero this person here keeps on walking away from you. This person here keeps on rejecting you, and now you're heading into a new direction right here wherein you're starting here your life, and maybe the universe here now has a different plan for your life, which is nakikita natin dito something better at maaari pa nga maging best version here, no? Na hindi mo na-imagine ever. But this person of yours, sayang. Lost opportunity ka niya. Kasi ikaw yung nakita ko rito na itinakda for him or her, but this person here keeps on rejecting you. Okay? Well, I can see that this is this person's here saddest truth ever. Yeah. And this is his or her truth. That's what I'm seeing from here. Yan. Well, kapag talaga parang hindi mo lubusang naiintindihan yung iyo rito, no, na puso, damdamin, isipan, pag yan hindi naka-align, just like what your person here, no, is nangyayari sa kanya, wala talaga. No? Alam mo, matatagpuan niya na lang yung sarili niya ritong malungkot forever. Sino ba namang hindi matutuwa, no? I mean, sino ba namang matutuwa, no, kung your life is heading to that kind of malungkot, no, na pagkabuhay sa earth, no? And then, when your time is up, dun mo palang marirealize that you've lost the person here, na yun pala yung talagang nakatadhana for you, no? But you, do not have any time anymore, no? Yeah, this person here lost you. This person here lost this opportunity, okay, with you. Yeah, I know you're waiting here for some kind of initials. We have here 3. Okay, maaring initials niya, initials ninyo, first letter ng name niya, yeah, meron din doon. Okay, just take out this resonates. I'm seeing letter U. We also have here the letter R. And last but not the least, we have here the letter E. So yeah, these are all the messages I've got right here for you, sweethearts. Thank you so much again. I'm your Yana on me. Sarang hayo, love and light. And yun.